Good morning, welcome back to another video. So right now it's 8 o'clock and I'm making my way to my shop because I got an early call to do somebody's hair. I have another makeup appointment. After that I have a hair appointment again. I am tired. I want to do a vlog. I'm not sure if I'm going to put both parts, the hair parts and the makeup together, but we'll see. So I'm on my way to my pen, and next time you'll see me, I'll be at my shop. I'm tired. I have my backpack, makeup bag, and my ring light. So I'm early. I'm gonna hear from a client, however I'm here. That's the most important part. So this is the birthday girl for today, and I already did her ball cap method, and now I'm just going to apply some glue so I can lay down her wig. So I know you guys have seen tons of videos of how to apply a lace wig. So I did the rest off camera and she went next door to get her makeup done. So this is my second client for today and I'm going to do her makeup. So this is a full coverage soft glam makeup look, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do my full coverage makeup for persons with dark spots or hyperpigmentation. So first thing I started off with is just grooming her brows. As always, that's the first thing I'm going to do when I do makeup, is groom the brows. And then this time around, like, I normally work with her right brow, which is my right but her left, because I really like the shape of that brow. However, I decided to use the right one, and then I really didn't like it, but we worked with it. So now I'm just cleaning off her face with the micellar water. Yeah, I didn't know micellar water actually burns, but it does. If you have a cut, micellar water actually burns. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning off her face. Oh, so my client came back, her makeup was finished. So she came back and she's supposed to get her hair curled after I finish with this makeup. So yeah, for her moisturizer, I use Labs facial moisturizer, and then after I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and to set the primer I'm going to use the RCMA translucent powder. So I concealed underneath her brows and above her brows with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I believe the shade was Deep Caramel. And then basically I just color correct with the same e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So after I finish blending out my camo concealer with the Real Techniques brush, I am going to go in and set that concealer with the same RCMA translucent powder. And let me say, I don't know how on earth I forgot to blend out the starting of her brows. I don't know. I like, honestly, I don't know what happened. However, I forgot to blend the starting of her brows, and we are humans, we're not perfect. So next time I'll try my best not to forget that step when it comes on to my client's brows. I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeliner to line her eyes. So getting onto the skin. For her foundation, I am going to use a black opal. So a lot of people do not like black opal because they say that it is oily. Black opal is not oily, it is radiant. It gives you a radiant glow after. Now, when it comes down to a full coverage look, when it comes down to covering hyperpigmentation and dark spots, when it comes down to a acne prone skin, you have to watch what type of foundations that you use. For me, I would definitely not use a matte foundation alone when it comes on to acne prone skin. So what I do is I go in with 2 layers of foundation. So the first layer is a combination of 2 shades, and what I do is I blend it out and I try to cover as much dark spots as possible. A full coverage look, it requires a lot of blending. So if you see me beating her face, I am just blending away the foundation. So for my second layer, I am going to use Maybelline foundation. So to conceal underneath her eyes, I am using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out. Now, if you guys see her face looking white right now, just trust the process. Just trust the process. As I said, a full coverage for me requires a lot of blending, So just trust the process. So right now I am just contouring her face, or they also can call it low lighting. So to low light, I am using another black opal shade, and this is a beautiful bronze. As I stated before, doing makeup, it requires a lot of blending, and you just have to blend until you get everything right. I mean, I didn't really blend out the front part of her brows today, but that's my fault, as I stated. But you guys need to just blend and make sure that you don't have any harsh lines. And I know, as I told you guys, just trust the process. Everything will come together eventually, and this is my coming together. So I am going to contour her face with a L'Oreal powder, and then I am going to set the rest of her face with a Maybelline powder. To set under her eyes, I'm going to use the RCMA translucent powder. As I stated before, guys, this is all about blending and just blending and blending. If you take an hour to do a makeup, like, take your hour. Do not rush the process, because you might rush it and end up coming how you don't want it to. So guys, don't rush the process of makeup. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscription button down below and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and don't forget to leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Yep, so this is the RCMA powder. I should have used a beauty blender, however I didn't know where the beauty blender was, so that's why I decided to use the brush today, because as I stated, our skin, we're all different, so you can't do the same thing for one client and expect to do the same thing for another. So on her lips, I did go in with a brown lip pencil, and then I used the NYX lip gloss and then a Rimmel London lip gloss. So to blush up her cheeks, I did go in with my Milani powder. And this is the ending of her makeup. I did go in with the Urban Decay setting spray to set her face. I went in with the glowy spray. I should have went in with a matte spray. However, her makeup came out great. She looks beautiful. So for my client, so she's finally back in my chair, and I am just using my wand and the Sebastian Shaper Plus to curl her hair. And as I said, her makeup, it was done next door, and she looks so lovely. Yeah, so watch how I curl her hair. So I did do the hair like a reverse curl, and then I hold it while it was still hot, so the curls would dry. Your mouth dry. The curls would cool down, so it would hold a better. And I just did that throughout her head until I was finished.
The shot that
Yeah, kayo na person.
Alright, yeah, you never kasi siya.
No, you never person.
Ba't tinalaban? Una na kasi yung self-conscious mo. Gusto mo ko ba ito?
Are you asking Ali answer?
Hindi pa kung ito ba? Kasi hindi ba? So I am home and I am tired, so I took off my wig obviously because I reach home and I need to go take a bath and I need to go to my bed. But yes, I think I'm going to edit this video. If I feel like, I'll edit the video from tonight. But thank you guys so much again for watching. I had fun doing my client's wig, and also I had so much fun doing my client's full coverage soft glam makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Thank you again for watching, and bye.